Welcome. Today we will embark on a journey of calm and peace to release the anxiety that may be weighing you down. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and start by focusing on your breath. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your lungs expand as you breathe in and let the tension leave your body as you breathe out. Allow your shoulders to relax, your hands to soften and your jaw to unclench. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let the rhythm of your breath be your anchor, calming and steady. Now, as you continue to breathe, imagine a gentle wave washing over you with each inhale, bringing in peace and tranquility. With each exhale, visualize the wave taking away any stress or worries you may have. Picture yourself in a serene place, perhaps by a calm lake or in a lush forest, where the air is fresh and the sounds of nature surround you. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive, as you sit or lie down comfortably. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing, and then leaving your body, warm and soothing. With every breath, you are nourishing your body and mind, bringing in positive energy and releasing negativity. As you breathe in, count to 4, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold your breath for a moment, savoring the stillness, then exhale slowly to a count of 6, letting go of any remaining tension. Repeat this cycle, finding a rhythm that feels natural and effortless. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment, like clouds passing in the sky. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, this time is for you, a moment of peace and self-care. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily, feeling more relaxed with each breath. Let the calmness spread through your entire body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Embrace this feeling of tranquility, knowing that you can return to this state of calm whenever you need it, simply by focusing on your breath. Now, I want you to imagine a serene place, a place where you feel completely safe and at ease. This is your sanctuary, a haven where the worries of the world cannot reach you. Take a moment to let your mind wander to this special place where tranquility and peace are the only inhabitants. Perhaps it's a peaceful beach with soft sand beneath your feet and the sound of gentle waves lapping against the shore. The rhythmic sound of the waves creates a soothing melody, a natural lullaby that calms your mind and soul. Imagine the grains of sand, warm and soft, gently massaging your feet as you walk along the shore. Picture the sky above, a soft blue with a few clouds floating by. These clouds drift lazily, unhurried and free, mirroring the state of your mind. The vast expanse of the sky reminds you of the endless possibilities and the boundless peace that you can tap into at any moment. The warmth of the sun touches your skin, and you feel at peace. The sun's rays are like a gentle embrace, wrapping you in comfort and serenity. Feel the energy of the sun revitalizing your body, filling you with a sense of well-being and contentment. With every breath in, imagine the fresh air filling your lungs, bringing calm and clarity. The air is pure and invigorating, each inhale bringing with it a sense of renewal and freshness. As you breathe in, feel the life force of nature entering your body, rejuvenating every cell. With every breath out, release any stress, tension, or worry that has been building up. Let go of any negative thoughts or feelings, allowing them to dissipate like mist in the morning sun. Each exhale is a release, a letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Continue to breathe deeply, slowly, allowing your body to sink further into relaxation. With each breath, you are drawn deeper into this serene state, where peace and calm are your only companions. Feel your muscles relax, your mind quiet, and your spirit soar as you embrace this moment of tranquility. Imagine yourself becoming one with this serene place, where time stands still and only the present moment matters. This is your sanctuary, your place of peace, and you can return here whenever you need to find calm and clarity. Now shift your attention to your body, starting at your toes. Feel the ground beneath you, whether it's the soft sand, the cool grass, or the warm beach. Notice the sensations, the textures, and the temperature. Allow yourself to become fully aware of this connection to the earth. Slowly, with each exhale, release any tightness in your feet. Imagine the tension melting away, flowing out with each breath. Feel your toes relax, your arches soften, and your heels sink deeper into the ground. Let go of any stress or discomfort that may have accumulated there. Breathe in calm and exhale tension. As you inhale, visualize a wave of tranquility washing over you, filling you with peace. As you exhale, imagine all the tension and stress leaving your body, dissipating into the air. Continue this rhythmic breathing, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into relaxation. Move up to your legs, your hips, your lower back. Feel the muscles in your calves and thighs loosen with each breath. Let your hips release any tightness and allow your lower back to soften and relax. Imagine any discomfort or stiffness melting away, leaving you feeling light and free. With every exhale, let go of all the tension that has settled there. Picture the stress evaporating, leaving your body with each breath. Feel a sense of relief and ease spreading through your legs, hips, and lower back. Embrace this feeling of relaxation and let it deepen with every exhale. Continue to move up your body, releasing tightness in your chest, your shoulders, and your neck. Feel your chest expand with each inhale, opening up and allowing more air to flow in. Let your shoulders drop and relax, releasing any burden they may be carrying. Allow your neck to soften, feeling the tension dissolve. Feel the weight of anxiety slowly lifting, leaving you lighter and more at ease. Imagine a sense of calm and serenity enveloping you, wrapping you in a cocoon of peace. Let this feeling spread throughout your entire body, from your head to your toes. Embrace this moment of tranquility and carry it with you as you continue your day. As we reach the final moments of this meditation, take one more deep breath in, hold it, and now exhale slowly. Let go of any remaining stress. You are calm, you are centered, and you are safe. Whenever you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Take this peace with you as you move through your day, knowing that you can always return to this place of calm. Click the link below to help you reach a deeper level of relaxation when the day is done. Thank you for joining me.